but you already have one. Hey, now that's gangster. That's gangster. I wanted to give you a great big heart for Valentine's Day. Twin, but you already have one. That's gangster. Thank you, Miss Carol. Yeah, you already know.
Sprinklers are okay, but I tend to keep it a stack. Only keep it real, no fraud, no me that's that. All I got is my balls and my word, and that's fact. Ever need something guaranteed, I hit you right back. Put it twin.
Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Twin here, man. Look, man, welcome back to my real ones. You heard me, to my family. Y'all know what time it is, man. Shout out to all y'all, man, and shout out to Mrs. Carol. You heard me? Now, shout out to Miss Alice as well. I'm pretty sure, and maybe I might have read it wrong, but I'm pretty sure she told me to make sure I check my P.O. box, and my sister went, and this what was here. So, shout out to Miss Carol, because Miss Carol didn't tell me anything. Surprise letter right here. So, shout out to Miss Carol. Mrs. Ward, we about to get straight into it. Y'all know what time it is. Hold up, let me get the thumbnail. Hold on. Famlay? Is that right? That's about right, ain't it? I should have put my green screen up. That's about right, though. We're going to do that. Shout out to my family, to my sister, Miss Carol Ward. You heard me? We're about to get straight into this, all right? And shout out to Miss Rocks B2 early on, because she did tell me she sent the Valentine's Day card. Hey, shout out to Miss Rocks B. You heard me? Excuse me. I'm just chilling, y'all, sitting over here watching this. This is actually a Valentine's Day card too. I wanted to give you a great big card for Valentine's Day. Thank you, Miss Carol. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cause I spent Valentine's Day alone. Yeah. I spent it alone. No. I'm joking, y'all. But I didn't spend it alone because I was around here with my brothers and my sisters. We was, you know what I mean? Valentine's Day is just another day to me. But thank you, Miss Carol. I wanted to give you a great big card for Valentine's Day. I appreciate it. So y'all can see the card. Boom, boom, bam. Thumbnail. Alright, so let's see what we got. Here. We got some moolah here. Twin. But you already have one. Hey! Now that's gangster. That's gangster. I wanted to give you a great big heart for Valentine's Day. Twin. But you already have one. That's gangster. Thank you, Miss Carol. Yeah, you already know. Keep up the good work. Love your spirit, Miss C. Ward. Mrs. C. Ward. Thank you, Mrs. Carol. Thank you for the moolah as well. Mrs. Carol. Thank you. Yeah, I try to keep the same heart, man, because the way I see the world is the way I view the world. My viewpoint sometimes can come off a little rugged, a little rigid. You get me? A little rough, but I mean well at the end of the day. And my real ones know that by now. They know that by now. I do mean well. And not to get into it, but yeah. I know you can't, one person can't make the world a better place, but yeah, I could make my community a better place. So we're not gonna get into all that. Thank you once again, Miss Carol Ward. You heard me? Hopefully my mic is not bugging out, because here lately when I be talking, it be giving that, yeah, how's everybody doing? It'll give that it be malfunctioning. You heard me? But thank you again, Mrs. Carol Ward. I appreciate you. Gratitude, family. You heard me? Till next time, man. It's been your boy Twin. Look, man. Good luck to all my lotto heads out there too, man. I haven't played and probably don't plan on playing. I probably don't play until today is Friday, so I should probably look at the Mega Million, but I might play like Tuesday. I might try to look at the Mega Million on Tuesday, but I haven't played in a while. I haven't been, yeah, I mean, I haven't really been in the mood, because I know that it's new in the year, especially if any of my lotto heads watching. It's too early in the year, especially if you actually go back into the search criteria and you look for research. You looking at certain, it's too early. It's too early. You understand? Now, some states or countries or whatever. We not gonna get on lottery, but I know Miss Carol Ward. I know she's a fellow lotto head, so shout out to her, and thank you for the Valentine's Day card. I really do appreciate it. All right. Till next time, it's be your boy Twin. Look, y'all, be yourself or be everybody else, and I'm out. Peace. Don't know what to buy next? How about checking out Twin Store? His merch is always evolving, from his signature brand Famlay to his famous quote, be yourself or be everybody else. There are more than enough options available. That is not it. There is a way to get free. That's right,
free shipping and handling. Simply type in the promo code Famlay and your order would be that much cheaper. More designs are to come this spring, so don't worry. Twin got you, baby. Twin got you.
In office on March 4th, first black president, the 44th, couldn't do his job in peace, it's Congress' fault. Obama handle business like a player should, always calm, never panic, even when he should. For example, police killing and they keep it tally. Obama walks as Dr. King and says peaceful rally. See, Congress doesn't understand the game of chess. Obama got elected and had to clean up Bush's mess, but we as a people have to work as one. Never mind our turf, we gotta work as one. This real talk, listen up, you better pay attention. Our sins and judgment are the state of admission in the big house. With that higher power, you best listen up, cause this world is ours.